वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने।
Gotten intelligence that Pakistan has moved its forces and planning to attack India on 26 January 87. The forces were already deployed at the border and we were unaware. Indian Army was doing one of the biggest exercise that is known as the Operation Blast in the western.
मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन।
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವೆಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ಜನ್ಮಿಸಲಿ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತೆಯ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಗುಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ಜನ್ಮಿಸಲಿ. छोड़ो मन की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर ये कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
जाने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
त्यामध्ये गणतंत्र शुभाशय.
Happy Republic Day to all of you. God bless you. Happy Republic Day all of you.
Happy Republic Day, all of you. Don't you want to know more powerful women who wrote our constitution on it? So there were 15 women from different parts of India. Of course, they included some of the veteran freedom fighters as well. I'll just name them out. Amma Swaminathan. She was the mother of Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, who was in the Indian National Army. She fought with Dr. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Annie Mascarenhas, Begum Aizar Rasool, Dakshakti Vidyanagar, Durgabai Deshmukh, Hansa Jeevaj Mehta, Kamla Chaudhary, Leela Roy, Malti Chaudhary, Purnima Banerjee, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Renita Roy, Sarojini Naidu, Sucheta Kriplani, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. These were the 15 important women who added first-time women part to our constitution. The girls are as strong, no? The teachers were the 15 women who drafted our constitution. Repeat? Repeat?
What do you think, sir?
तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम के दाना पहाड़ा
ex-MW Rajkumar Shah served the Indian Air Force for 39 years, 11 months, 5 days. Just I will share my one experience in the service. On this day only, in 2001, 26 January, we had the earthquake in the Gujarat, and in that I was lifted by air in the orthopedic team on the same day, and we went to Gujarat Military Hospital, and on the same day we have operated up to 10 o'clock night those who were victims of the earthquake.
जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी मेरे वतन जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की जहाँ बोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा अपना जहाँ है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा अपना जहाँ है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
वन्दे मातरम्
वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
हम राही है, हम साथी है, हम वीर सिपाही है। हम राही है, हम साथी है, हम वीर सिपाही है। चट्टानों से हम न डरेंगे, तूफानों से हम न डरेंगे। हम वो राही है, हम वो राही है। तररम पम पम, तररम पम पम, तररम पम 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 पम, तररम पम पम, तररम पम पम, तररम पम 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 पम।
जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा बंदा
We have a walking team Krishna Ekanda. Hello team.
आंचल तेरा रहे माँ रंग भी
मेरी ज़मीन अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी याद सदा चले जान मेरी रही न रहे तेरी मिट्टी में बन जाग बढ़ के मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Her story teaches us courage, standing up for what is right, and in fighting injustice. Her story fills us with pride and legacy. Her stories inspire us and will inspire us as many generations.
My ideas. If the deaf have to hear, the sound has to be very loud. Yes, my friends, I'm talking about Bhagat Singh. Hello everyone, my name is Sandhi and today I'm going to talk about Bhagat Singh.
I'm here to talk about my favorite freedom fighter story, Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi. She was a brave woman who fought for India's independence against the British in the First War of 1858. She was born on November 19, 1828 in Varanasi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika, lovingly called as Manu. She was not like other girls of her age. While the other girls played, she learned horse riding, sword fighting and archery. Manu grew up and married the king of Jhansi, Raja Gangadhar. Hey everyone, happy People's Day to all of you. So before I begin, let me ask you something. What does freedom mean to you? Whether it is living in an independent country or to live in a country with equality, dignity and opportunity. So, today I am going to tell you a story of a young man who understood the true meaning of freedom, who is none other than Shaheed Bhagat Singh. Republic Day is not only the independence in the political countries, it is about the courage, equality, justice and for standing up for what is right and what is wrong, even though it's hard. That is the true significance of Republic Day. So, I ask you, will you let Bhagat Singh's sacrifice inspire you? Will you build India with Bhagat Singh bravery? Will you stand up for what is right and what is wrong, even though it's hard? That is the true meaning of independence. Let us honor his legacy and keep his spirit alive. Let us shout all together, Inqilab Zindabad! Shout all together, Inqilab Zindabad!
Dear guys, parents and my dear friends, I feel proud and excited to stand here to talk about India's one of the most important days, the Republic Day. Every year, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January to honor the day when the Constitution came into effect in 1950. So what is Constitution? Do you guys know anything about it?
Constitution is the form of government that was formed in 1950.
That's correct. So basically, Constitution is basically a set of rules and guidelines that tell us how a country should run. It ensures that each and every person has a right to do things such as the right to speak freely, the right to go to school, the right to live with dignity, and the right to practice any religion. But before the Constitution was adopted, India was governed by the laws made during the British rule. But after independence, in 1947, we needed to make our own laws that would govern a free democratic country.
Subhash Chandra Bose was a great Indian nationalist, where people even today know him by the love for his country. Subhash Chandra Bose was a revolutionary leader, and he was born on January 23rd, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, India. And he played a distinctive role in India's tumultuous journey towards freedom.
India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak introduced two new newspapers to India, namely Kesari in Marathi language and Maratha in English. These two newspapers actively propagated in India, which brought awareness in the Indians about the freedom movement. He was a strong advocate who was working for a strong rule. He was on Swaraj. He is known for his famous quote, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." Tilak criticized the rule of
Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January, each year marking the day in which Constitution of India came into effect in 1950, making India Republic. This day is significant because it symbolizes the transition from a colonial British rule to a sovereign nation.
the phrase unity in diversity is not just a phrase, it's not just a slogan, but it represents the country India. The country India is a unique blend of different cultures, traditions, etc. Just like a rainbow. Consider a rainbow. A rainbow is made up of 7 colors, and the blend of all 7 colors makes this rainbow complete, and it looks so beautiful. Similarly, our country India is made up of a combination of all different cultures, religions, traditions, etc. And all these together make our country complete, India. We also have many numerous leaders who have fought against inequality and injustice, and it is because of them we all are standing here today. And even now, the same time, the soldiers are standing at the border of our country and protecting us. By this, I would like to end my speech by giving a small tribute to all the soldiers and leaders who have fought for us by giving them a tribute of respect for their efforts. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you.
So very special day. It is important day. It means we are celebrating the day when our country got its own rules called the Constitution. Just like the rules we have in our classroom, we have rules to honor the Republic Day.
Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter of India. She was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. She is known as Jhansi Ki Rani. Her father's name was Nehru Pandey and mother's name was Bhagirathi Pandey. At birth, she was named Manikarnika and Rani Lakshmi Bai. Such is her legacy. Girls are given examples of her bravery. So now let's hear the story of bravery and courage of Rani Lakshmi Bai. They got the golden letters of the pages with the Indian history. On 19th November in Varanasi, a girl named Manikarnika was born, lovingly known as Manu. People called her Chabini due to her playfulness. At the age of 12, she saved Tata Tope's life. At the age of 14, she was married to Gangadhar Rao. The couple was blessed with a son who was dead when it was 4 months old. After her husband's death, she was asked to give the government to Britishers. She denied and formed a...
Good morning everyone. My name is Devan. My topic is My India, My Pride. Good morning everyone. My name is Devan. My topic is My India, My Pride. Good morning everyone.
तिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से वो तेरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा